What's up, you guys? I'm gonna teach you how to play Crash. Let's zoom in. I'm gonna show you the 4 basic parts. I'm gonna waste no more time. We'll see you in the zoom. Okay, so I'm gonna break down the basic finger shapes of what's happening here just to get you started. That 4th finger is on the B string of the 5th fret. My 3rd finger is on the G string, 4th fret. 1st finger is on the 2nd fret of the D string. That's going to be kind of a running theme, pretty much. These 4 notes on the top end of the guitar. Everything else is now just this, dancing bass movement on the E and the A. Okay, so shape 1 is all of that with your 2nd finger on the A string, 4th fret. That's a C sharp. Shape 2 is if I just lift that up. Shape 3 is if I play the 2nd fret A and D string. So that bass movement, that bass is officially here on the note of B. Shape 4 is if I just open that up and play the open E string. So far we have that nice. And then I'm going to go and keep that there. 2nd finger on the 4th fret E string is going to be the next. This is shape 5. And then we're going to go to the open A, moving that 1st finger back. So that's the same shape we did for that 2nd shape. So we're back to this. And then the shape 3 returns, 2nd fret of the A string. Everything else remains the same. Yes, I am fretting both the A and the D string together. And then open E string again. So all together, this is tough on the hands. Shake it out. So all together we have the C sharp and the bass, the A and the bass, the B and the bass, the E and the bass, G sharp and the bass, A and the bass, B and the bass, and back to E. So get that down, shake it off. It's a lot. It's a stretch. It's a bit of a yoga for the left hand, but that's overall what you're going to be doing. Now, the rhythm is going to be a little bit tricky, okay? It's basically the same thing over and over again. So that's the rhythm. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. I'm going to slow that down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. If you can capture that, you can pretty much get this song, okay? So it's going to be, I'll kind of give you a demonstration of how that actually works in slow-mo. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay? So that rhythm, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, typically has changes in 2 different parts. Okay, it's going to be on beat 1 of that first measure. On that, basically that first move, it's going to be this. Down, that's where the one that changes is. Down, 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 up, and then lift. Down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Right? And then down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Okay? If you got lost, that's on my Patreon. That little secret code will unlock this whole song. That rhythm's very difficult, but that's where all the movement happens. He has this chorus riff, and I play mine a certain way on the end. You can, correct me if I'm wrong, but I kind of like the steel F sharp on the end of it. Here's the kind of chorus riff when he sings "Crash Into Me," right? He's going to go. Okay, so that's going to be basically staying on the same shape we've been doing the whole time, right? And I'm going to go ahead and take that 4th, that C sharp, I go. Okay, so that's that first shape in that what we just did. And I'm going to go 4th fret E, open A, 2nd fret A. So this is this nice little walk. And I play an E major. Into me. And I like to do a D over F sharp on that. And there's a D over F sharp video I did a little while back. You can kind of check it out. But basically, the way I'm doing mine is weird, I know. But I play that 3rd fret B, 2nd fret of the G, and then I'm playing mine weird. I'm sorry, I'm demonstrating that super weird. 3rd fret B, 2nd fret G, and then 2nd fret of the E. I tend to like to mute that A as well in the high E. You can always do your D over F sharp like this. It doesn't matter to me. That's how I'm doing mine. And that's the second part. That's like the second little part. That's the chorus thing that where he sings Crash Into Me. Let's get into the third one. The third one is really, really weird, and there's this little thing that happens on the end where it goes into 2/4 time. Basically, it's a half of what we're used to in terms of a measure. Don't panic, I got you. Okay, so that third part is a bit tricky. I'm gonna go ahead and play it at full speed, and then I'm gonna break it down for you. Here it is. I know that's weird, right? That last thing I did on the end? Yes, I did it right. That is weird, I know. Now, it's because he cuts it half on that very last measure. Okay, so let me just go through the shapes in order, okay? So everything's, nothing's super crazy different in terms of the shapes. So here it is. Shape 1 is this C sharp shape, right, on the bass there. And then again. And then again. And then again. Right, it kind of hangs there for a little while. Then he goes into an open A. Then the B. Then the open E. Then the G sharp. A. B. And then open E. Open E, that last one, that's where he cuts it in half. Okay, so let me break it down just kind of piece by piece. Same rhythm. Right, so that's one measure officially, right? And that's just the same root note. So that's actually pretty easy for us. We don't have to move. That's kind of nice. And then he'll just repeat that same thing. So the whole thing I just did is twice. Easy so far, right? Okay, good. Then the next part is going to be an A to a B. Right? And then we got an open E to a G sharp. So far, those 4 measures are going to be C sharp, C sharp, A, B, E, G sharp. The next part is going to be open A, B, okay, and then this is that last part where we have a half a measure. We go E, and then it goes right into that main section, the first section we covered, which is. If you listen for it, you will hear that part. That is the way that he does that. Okay, and the final part is just basically this big outro towards the end. He just repeats the same 4 chords over and over. He tends to play more of the chord than just that bass note, but you can kind of play with it. It doesn't matter. The shapes are as follows, just 4 shapes, all shapes we've done before. Here it is. So first shape is actually on a G sharp, right? In fact, let me just go ahead and do the whole thing, and then I'll break it down. On. So what we have is we have a G sharp to an A, then we have that B, 2nd fret A string, E, so if I break it down, it's G sharp, A to the B, to the fade out. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. Please like, subscribe, share with your mom, your dog, your brother, your grandmother. I appreciate you guys watching. Also, become a Patreon member. You're going to get exclusive access to all kinds of tabs that I'm custom doing just for you. So that way, I'm fixing the internet 1 tab at a time, and you're getting all the benefits. Thanks. See you in the next video.